got our head here. We've let this set up and dry for our neck pieces. We glued this end, these two side pieces in. I've sanded this down so I can mark my center. So what we have to do is we have to get it to fit inside here. We got a hook here to put a rubber band on to the bottom of our stick. So what we want to do is we want to find our center so we won't lose it once we start sanding this down. So we'll mark it there. So now we got our center marked, and we'll take a little punch here, and we're going to put a hole here so we don't lose it once we start sanding this down. Because once you start sanding it down, you could have a tendency to lose where your center is. So by putting that in there, we'll always know where that center is once we start grinding it down. Now I got a 2-inch cardboard ring here, and we'll place that over our mark. Mark this. So now we know where our center is. This is what we want to shave it down to, so it's going to fit in here, into our neck, into the body. So we're going to take all this off around here and sand it down. I'm going to use my 4-inch belt sander to initially take it down, and then we'll use our shaping tool here to further shape it, and some different sanding discs that we're going to use to sand it down. So we're going to take this down now, and then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you get any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.